Many customers want discrete manufacturers to customize products that reflect their brand or requirement. It can either be a customized component that fits their product assembly, or a unique automobile part, or a medical device component to treat a specific disease. In order to meet such unique requirements, you need a powerful configuration tool that lets you create rule-based solutions for configure-to-order, make-to-order, assemble-to-order, and engineer-to-order environments. OmegaCube ERP has an inbuilt product configurator functionality that lets you configure product designs, generate custom BOMs, routings, pricing, and discount rules for custom products. All this can be done from a simple-to-use browser interface that is accessible from any handheld device. You can configure sales pricing, discounting, and quotation workflows for custom products. You can generate quotation documents and detailed estimates based on pricing options and configured product requirements. System computed prices and discounts can be overridden with the configured rules. Using the Product Configurator Tool, you can define multiple rules for BOM generation, single, or multi-level routings. You can associate phantom BOMs and standard item BOMs to configured options. You can also set up conditional rules for BOM calculations and generate single or multi-level BOMs. With a product configurator, you can create and allocate custom item numbers to products. You can set up rules to generate item numbers for a configured item, based on various parameters at the time of quoting, or after a sales order is generated. You can share and publish fresh product configurations with your vendors and customers from within OmegaCube ERP. They can access and modify configurations from anywhere using portable devices. You receive real-time updates when your vendors or customers make any configuration changes. You can control configuration options from a single admin console. From the console, you can manage user inputs, configurator rules, changes, sequence of questions, screen layouts, color schemes, and overall user interface. Developers can write scripts for complex calculations and rules for complex product configurations. You can track product configuration history with respective date and time stamps, revisions, personnel details, and share history. In case of any emergency changes or defects, you can quickly access the respective configuration and make necessary changes. Redefine manufacturing with OmegaCube ERP. Contact us for an in-depth demo of the Product Configurator module.